Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a share. I received my swap back from Judy at my scrapbook loft. Her and Donna from Donna Dreams ×3, both here on YouTube. They host a monthly swap and each one takes turn who hosts each month. And so October was Judy's, and November's is Donna's. And I don't remember what Donna's was. But I will leave the link to their YouTube channels in the description box below so you can go check it out. If you guys want to join in, there'll be information there. So here is my... So this month it was called Ugly Paper Swap. I don't even believe... Look at how cute. So somebody, oh, thank you. Look, gifted us cocoa mugs. And they wrapped their paper in this beautiful holly printed bag that I think they made, envelope. Maybe they bought it. But the washi tape. And let's see their paper. If I can get it out. There it is. Oh, but I love that. Okay, so I like these papers. Yeah, that one I don't know. I'm not a westerny person. But I could possibly do, I know I could use this one. Possibly do something with this. But we were told to hold on to them because Judy will be hosting December's month and she has a project or something up her sleeve that we'll be using these for, I guess. It says, Dear Makalani, thank you so much for joining the Ugly Paper Swap. Here are yours from the swap. Remember, don't use or lose. LOL. Hope you like what December is going to be. I'm sure I will. I've loved every month that you guys have come up with different things. Aw, party like a pineapple. How cute. And this is from Lisa Gaines. Happily gifting you these ugly papers. Thank you for taking them off my hands. How funny. That's funny. So let's see. Oh, that's her bag topper. Cute. Thank you. Man, I just put mine in like a, you know, mailer envelope clear and sent it off. So this paper here. Oh, and it's double-sided. I could use these. I could use this one. I could use this one too. I like those. Thank you, Lisa. Or Lise. Lise Gaines. I think that's how you say it, Lise. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. And let's see. This one is from Tammy's Stamping Therapy. Oh, and this is like birthday paper. Yeah, this golf one. But I do like this one, Bird of Paradise. So pretty much I like the papers I got for the most part. So we have to hold on to them. Don't lose them, Judy says. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave the link to their YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check them out and see if you have time to join November's swap, which Donna Dreams ×3 is hosting. If you're new here, welcome. Like and subscribe to join me on this crafty journey. Here's more videos like these. And until my next video, shakas.